to all you viewers and followers. This is William Kanuto, otherwise known as KKU. If this is your first time seeing this video, please subscribe onto my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about the hit song Waimanu for the Anditha Kumbau school. We're going to be going into how the song started out, how it came to be, who was behind it, where the inspiration came from. So we will be talking to two other people, and we will be discussing basically how it all started out.
Hello everyone, my name is Anditha. I attended Anditha Kumbau School. I started as a Form 3 student probably from 2010 to 2014, and straight out of La Masa. So back home, probably my siblings would know and my mom and my dad would know. I'm always quiet. But then when I came to ACS, it opened more doors for me. Like, I got to know a lot of people. I was out of my comfort zone. My current occupation is I'm a flight attendant at UG Airways. We came back from training, and then we had like how we have to eat tin and biscuit and just talk, just down the way back at the dorm. We were talking about what I said, what to be left behind for leaving ACS. So one of our misstep then, or Nandroga girl, she asked me, what if we made a new song? Originally they asked me to do it, but then I was not that confident enough. Yeah, so it started from that conversation, leading up to actually posing to my brother to write the song. It's just like a simple conversation, like just joking around, how about we make a song? Fun fact about it is the first time it played during Cokes. I didn't even know they were gonna play it because it just came out just a few days before Cokes came. So, I don't know, somebody must have told the person that was doing the sound system back then during Cokes that I was Bill's sister. So it was 4x4. Yes, 4x4, and I did the tape. I was doing the last runner. When I came straight to the finish line, I heard everybody screaming, but I couldn't tell what were they screaming at. And then when I reached the tape, then I heard the soundtrack. It finally came out. Because everybody was anticipating when it's gonna come out. Because they kept on playing the old song, and you know, the current student back then, we've been hearing that song ever since we started, like the last week of training. Even Coach Mbola came to hear about it. And yeah, the fact that my mom actually took out her time to even write down the lyrics. Well, she's a teacher. She knows Fijian more than any one of us, so yeah. So we managed to collect a bit, probably around $200. I approached my brother, and he said that it was around 5. I think it was around 5. And then I managed to get all the borders in. We had a meeting, and I told them about it. And my words to them was that if you guys pitch in on this, you guys will remember the song forever. So yeah. Up from that, and then the other borders, it started at the borders meeting. All the borders had to give in $1, $2. They contributed a lot, and then it went out to the day scholars. So that's how we funded the song. People really thought it was from outside, but really it was just the inside job. Yeah. You will always reap what you sow. Like in everything you do, be humble about it. Nobody has to know about it. But either way, God is watching. You'll make it out somehow.